Okay, we got the new Hart 6-gallon 3-in-1 wet dry vacuum today, right? Another attachment. I guess this the gun. As you can see. Another attachment for the one. Got the hole. It's not too big. It's not too small or whatnot, but yeah, we finna test it out. See what it do here. Damn. It even comes with some carpet cleaning solution. Ain't that something? Seems pretty thick. It's only 17 ounces. I had to get this a try out. As you can see, it was other stuff inside the vac. Wheels, filter, and we got the, you know, the filter for when you're wet vacuuming or whatnot. And here's the one. See, the tank capacity is one gallon. So you put your 1 gallon, however you mix up your solution, your chemicals or whatever. But yeah, it's a 1 gallon tank. Be an okay vac or whatever or whatnot. But here goes something I don't like. So when you hit the on button, it don't come directly on. You got to cut it on from right here. See, it's a vac and then it's a extractor. I mean, like your fluids, your chemicals or whatever switch, and the vac switch. Now, when this go bad, how do this work? That we gonna get into you know, seeing how this work or whatnot. However it goes. Let's see what we got here. Okay. You hit the chemical button. Okay, there go your solution now. Okay. Let's see what we got here, Hart. Real nice suction power.